Hey everybody, welcome back. So, right here I picked up a couple of the new Airslide Hoppers, which are the Airslide 4566 hoppers from ScaleTrains, which are both of them are the Rivet Counter line, so I have two of them here. I got the ADM version, this is the as-built of 1983 version, because they got they have a paint scheme variation on these, so they look really nice. And I also got the Wonder Bread one. We're going to be doing an unboxing overview on these and see how I think of these. Right? So here we finally have it out of the box, so let's put on the rails. Do a quick overview of this. It's got some really nice detail. It's got like these little step ladders and stuff. The top detailing is really nice. It's got these see-through, I'm not sure how these walkways, I think. It's got all kinds of stuff. As you can see, it's got some metal couplers, which is what every rivet counter rolling stock and locomotive have, the metal couplers. This thing right here, I think it looks like the air hose. The brake wheeling looks nice. Here's the other side. Absolutely amazing detail on these 4566 Airslide Hoppers. They look really nice. So, ScaleTrains did absolutely really good job with this model. Yeah, looks really nice. So I'll show you the under body. The underframe looks really nice. It's got lots of cool details. Let's see. And that's what I think of these Rivet Counter 4560 Airslide Hoppers. So I think you guys should actually get some of these because these are really nice. I think they're a lot better than some like the other brands like Tangent Scale and like Walter's Mainline. But this is really nice. And yeah, looks really nice. So hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.